Welcome to this brief how-to video on how to use Fringe's Finance Amplify. Amplify is a leveraged trading facility designed to allow traders to gain long exposure to an asset. Leveraged long exposure means that you can increase your potential returns by borrowing funds to increase your investment in a particular asset. In this example, we are using Bitcoin. Select the asset on the token selector and click on the deposit button. Enable the asset and then choose the deposit amount. Now you can specify the Amplify leveraged trading position by defining the margin and amplification amount. You can set the amplification by using the bar and then adjust the minimal or maximal margin required. For example, a $10 worth of Bitcoin token margin with a 2x amplification means your gains will be amplified by 2 times compared to holding Bitcoin without leverage. If it is your first time use the facility, click on the Enable USDC button and then in the open position. After your position is open, you can manage it by depositing more assets, withdrawing it or closing it. In summary, Fringe Finance Amplify facility offers a powerful tool for traders looking to enhance their market exposure and maximize their returns. Amplify Fringe Finance stands out as a premier leveraged trading facility in the DeFi landscape.